Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all fine, staying safe and then loving each other. So this is a short video, so like I always say, forget about the background. I'm at work and then I had to do this quickly. When I was coming to work, I passed through Krofrom, that is New Tafel. If you all remember, I think a week ago I updated you all on the asphalt road. I mean the facelift that they are giving to the road. It's an old road and then they are trying to give it a new look. So this is the construction work. That is the first phase of it before they were done with the asphalt, and then later we'll do the road markings. That is on the right side, and then so from this, and then they constructed it into this, as I showed you in a video a week ago. And then so this morning I passed there and then I saw them constructing the other side of the road, as you see in this video. And now this morning, as I was coming, I saw them constructing the other side of the road, and I decided to show you all. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and see you in another video. Be expecting my Vlogmas series episode 2 later in the day. Thank you all so much for watching.